Before we start coding, let's understand what a templating engine is and what it does. A templating engine is a tool that helps us write dynamic HTML code more easily. For example, if you want to display multiple images on a page, you don't have to manually write the HTML code multiple times. Instead, you can use Blade Directive like for each loop to loop through your data and automatically generate all the images for you. When we write a Blade file, Laravel does not send it to browser directly. First, Blade compiles the template into plain PHP code. Then the PHP code is executed on the server, and finally the resulting HTML is sent to the browser. Now, let's see some examples of Blade directives or how we can write PHP code inside our Blade file. So let's start with the writing a comment. To write a comment, we have to open two curly brackets, then dash dash and close it. Then between this, anything we write, it will be treated as a comment. We can write multiple multi-line comment as well. Now, if we go to inside our browser, in here refresh the page, we don't see anything, and even if I open the page source, I don't see my comment because the codes are rendered in the server. In here, if I write a HTML comment, so if I write something like this and write save, go back. Now, if I refresh, I can see the HTML comment, but I don't see the Blade comment because this renders in the server and it will not render it in our browser. We can also write loops or conditions inside our Blade file. For example, we can, if I want to write a loop function, I will just type add, then after that for, and I will type my $sign I is equal to 0, then do this until I is smaller than 10 and $sign I plus plus. Now, in here we cannot use the curly brackets like this. Instead of this, we don't need it. We just at the end we will type add end for. Now, inside this, anything I write, it will run for 10 times. For example, if I want to display my variable, I will just type, let's create a p tag and the closing p tag as well. Now in here, to display my variable, I will just open curly brackets, then $sign I. Now save everything. Let's go to the browser, refresh. I got my numbers in here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to the 9. You can also write an if condition as well, just like a for loop. We can also write our if condition, or also we have to start with at symbol, then if, and we can write any condition in here. Let's say for example, if I is equal to 3, print something, and if, now between this, let's print something, for example h1, close this one as well. This is $sign I. Now let's go refresh, and the third, I got this is the third loop. We can also write pure PHP code in here as well. So if you want to write a PHP code, you can just type add PHP and end it. Let's end PHP. Now inside this, we can type our pure PHP code as well. So for example, let's type echo hello from PHP. Now let's save this. Let's go back, refresh. Now I got hello from PHP. So there are multiple Blade directives. If you go to Laravel documentation and go to the Blade template, in the here you have Blade directives. You can read more about this in details.